Hello everyone. We have heard a lot about OpenAI, ChatGPT and other chatbots. But what if I tell you that you can actually customize your WordPress website with the help of AI? Well, AI has now entered the WordPress site design through Elementor. Elementor has come up with a new feature, Elementor AI. You can now easily create and modify content, translate text, fix grammar and spelling, create custom code, CSS code and HTML. And all this within the Elementor's editor without the need to switch between different tools. Now you must be having a plenty of questions about this new entrance of AI in Elementor and how it works. Well then this video is the answer to all your questions as we will be giving you a quick walkthrough of the Elementor AI features. I'm Aparna Singh from LearnWoo and let's get started. First and foremost, let's install the plugin. For that, go to WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new. Now go to upload a plugin. Upload the zip file here. And once it's uploaded, install. Once installed, click activate. Once the plugin is installed, let's edit a page with Elementor AI and see how it works. For that, go to WordPress dashboard. Click on pages. Now select a page you want to edit. Click on Edit with Elementor. Now Elementor's editor will open. First, let's see how you can generate text and modify it. Go to the widget section in the left panel. Go to search. Type text editor here. Once it appears, drag and drop the text editor to the page here. Now click on this icon here to write with AI. Well, an AI pop-up window will appear. Here you can either give your own prompts or select any one prompt from the suggested prompts here. Once you have entered the prompt, click Generate Text. In a few seconds, Elementor AI will generate text according to the prompt you gave. Now you can easily modify this generated text by the options here. You can simplify the language, make the text longer or shorter, and you can also fix spellings and grammar. Now let's select Simplify Language and see the changes. Here you can see the previous generated text has been simplified to this now. Similarly, make changes according to your requirements. Now, if you want to generate another text, you can simply click New Prompt and generate text again. Once done with all the changes, click Use Text. Now, there are other basic editing features given by Elementor that you can use from the left panel here. Next, let's see how you can translate and modify the tone of the text. This time, let's add a heading. For that, go to Widget section in the left panel. Now, here search heading. Drag and drop the heading widget through the page here. Now click on this icon here to write with AI. Again, an AI pop-up will appear. Now here select or enter a prompt. Once you have entered the prompt, click Generate Text. Now you can modify the tone of this text from the Change Tone option here. Click on Change Tone option. Now from the drop-down, select the tone you want your text to be in, like casual, confidence, formal, friendly, inspirational, etc. Since mine is an e-commerce store, I would like to keep it casual. Once you select the tone, AI will regenerate the text in that tone. Here I would want it to be shorter, so just click on Make it shorter. Now there's another added feature that you can translate this text into any other language. For that, simply click Translate to option from here. Now from the drop down, select the language you want to translate it to from the options available here. Once done, your text will be translated to the language you selected. Once done with all these changes, click Use Text. Now, another added feature of Elementor AI is that we can also add HTML code to any page of your WordPress website. You can generate HTML code with AI assistance for any purpose. For that, go to your Elementor editor of the page you want to add the HTML code to. Now, in the search section in the left panel, search HTML. Once it appears, drag and drop the HTML widget to the page here. Now once done, click on this icon here to get HTML code with AI. Now once again, the AI pop-up window will appear. Select a prompt from the suggested ones here or manually enter a prompt. Like here, I want an HTML code to display the current time. Once you have entered the prompt, click Generate Code. Now once the code is generated, simply click Insert Code and your code will be inserted to that place in your page. Following the same steps, you can also add CSS code with the help of Elementor AI. Follow the same steps and add the HTML widget to the page. Click on Code with AI icon. Enter the prompt mentioning particularly to write an HTML code with CSS. Like here, I have written write an HTML code with CSS to add a red color button. Now here you will get both HTML and CSS code. So you can use this particular CSS code. But now if you want to particularly write custom CSS and custom codes, for that you have to go to WordPress dashboard, Elementor, and then click on custom codes here. Now here if you have Elementor Pro, then you will get the option to write custom codes, and similar to Elementor Editor, you can write the codes with AI option. However, this feature is not available for the basic version of Elementor. And that's all. This was a quick walkthrough of all the features of the new Elementor AI. Do let us know in the comment section if you found this video helpful. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing off and we'll see you in the next video.